Good afternoon, everybody, on this beautiful Sunday. Wife and I just finished church. Place I love to go every Sunday. I'm waiting for my wife. We bring our grandchild with us, Kendallin, and so she stops in to pick her up in the child class. But let me show you a little bit about what we did this weekend. I'm sure you're going to enjoy some of this stuff. We went to Silver Scorpions on Friday. We went to Scrap at JC's on Saturday. Scorpion lives in Virginia. JC lives in North Carolina. I'm going to share with you a little bit of my day and my week. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Grandpa, left-handed Paul. We're headed over to visit Scrap at JC and Jimbo Scrapper at JC's house this time. So Friday we was at Silver Scorpions. Saturday we're going to be down here at JC's place and we're going to pour some metal. So stick around. All the trees down here, I hope it shows up on camera. Up here. We're in Virginia. Are still at their color changing. It looks darker on camera what I'm looking at than it actually is. The clouds don't look that dark to me is what it's showing up. I might have to change my light settings. But yeah, it's a pretty country in Virginia. We just entered North Carolina. We are 38 miles away from Greensboro. We had an amazing day yesterday, and we have already started off our day amazing with some explosions at Silver Scorpions. 1 pound of boom booms on. Yeah. What did you hit? It moved the can. Whoa! Beautiful! Holy smoke! That opened that refrigerator up, son. I destroyed that thing. Wow. Blew the top of the can in. Still alive, though. So let's go pour some metal with JC. We are here. All right, Paul. Yeah, Scrap at JC's place. Scrap JC's place. Let's go have some fun. Look who's coming up my driveway. Good morning, my fellow scrapper. JC the man. Love it, brother. All right, everybody. This is Scrap at JC's little spot. We were watching in, and this is the same cozy stripper that Scrap and Grandpa's got. Now we see how he works, and I like his little deal right here now. I've got single magnets. I'm gonna have to ask him where we can get them ones there. I want them bars, and I love his power supply. Look at the power supply that Scrap at JC's got. That's what I need. Yeah, this is perfect. Perfect. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Look at all the goodness he has in here. Oh my God. You got to check out these videos because he shows him doing what I'm doing. Look at them long lines he strips. Lord, I always cut mine down. He's running long ones. Scrap at JC is a micro scrapper too. So if you like micro scrapping, looks like he poured that. So that's a piece you poured out of copper right there. Copper pours. Look at there.
Yep.
Look at that. Yeah, these are yours, right?
Yep. Yep.
Well,
they're out of the cast iron.
Oh my goodness gracious! Look at that. Oh, look at that. Well, shoot, man, this is cool, dude. Oh, you kidding me?
Yeah, it was an old school cast iron cookie sheet.
All right. Well, I'm gonna have to take a couple from my scrap shop. So.
Hey, you want the coin? Grab the coin.
Yeah, I think I like that coin right there. We got a moon or something. Let me see. Gosh, I think I gotta have that. I gotta have it. Awesome, brother. Thank you. This goes in my scrap shop. We are getting ready to have some fun. Bunch of us scrappers get together with their families. We're here at JC's, man. Scrap It JC. Everybody check out his channel. He made these himself. Made them himself. And he learned how to do that by whose channel was that? Big Stacker. Big Stack D. Big Stack D. Excuse me. Yeah, big difference.
Because there is a big stacker.
Yes, there is. Big Stack D. And this is the looks like the bronze tubes. He's gonna. These are the bronze.
What, melting?
Is this bronze or is this?
That is bronze.
That's bronze. Okay, bronze. We are getting ready to pour something today. He has a beautiful setup right here.
21 years I've been doing this. Crazy.
Yeah, I've been wanting one of these Devil's Forges, 10K. This is a 10K size, and we're getting ready to make something today. He just gave me these. I love it, love it. A couple things that he's poured in the past. Scrap It JC. We're here with Left-Handed Paul, Silver Scorpion,
What do you got?
Jimbo Scrapper. Hey, Jimbo, say hello, brother.
What's happening, everybody?
Yes, Jimbo Scrapper. Silver Scorpion. Hey, man, say hello to everybody.
Hey,
Silver Scorpion. Check out his channel. And your other channel, Scrapping
Scorpion, Silver Scorpion, and Scorpion Metals.
Yes. Check them all out. It's awesome. The links will be down below. His wife, his daughter. What? I'm struggling with the name. Ellie, and I should know that because like I told you, but anyways, Ellie, that's Jimbo's wife. And where'd you come from, Jimbo? Indiana, all the way from Indiana.
That's Baby Scorpion.
Baby Scorpion right there, Baby Scorpion. We met him yesterday. Yes, we did. So, yeah, we're going to have a blast today. We're all down here at Scrap It JC's house. We're getting ready to have a blast. JC, where are we at?
We are in North Central North Carolina.
North Central North Carolina. And this
We're
place...
like 20 minutes from the Virginia line. We're about 45 minutes south of Silver.
45 minutes from Silver's place. That's amazing. Then I'm about 4.5 hours from here.
3.5 hours.
3.5 from here. Awesome. There you go. Where are you from?
Normally I just tell people Danville, Virginia. Or
Danville,
Chatham,
Virginia. Chatham, near Danville and Chatham. Awesome.
Well, I kept that.
And Paul, Left-Handed Paul, and myself are from Southport, as everybody knows. Southport, North Carolina.
Later.
Brunswick County.
Oh, you've seen it. Jimbo!
No, he's behind his car.
Oh, yeah?
We are getting ready to fire this beautiful 10K
Yep.
Devil's Forge.
Thanks, double four.
I've got to get a 10K. There we go. We got fire. Jimbo. Oh, yeah. Oh, there he is. Jimbo.
I figure if we need a little extra, we can strip it and just push it in as it goes. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'll get this ready.
Yeah.
A little bit of 4 gauge.
That's nice. Nice one. Nice one.
Yeah, you put it in there like it's melted.
Heating up the mold. It will be pouring the copper into.
I'll just set them up on the side.
It's heavy, right? That's some copper, baby.
Filled up that 10K. I was struggling to get it out. Yep.
This part of North Carolina has all that red clay. All the sand or dirt is red. I remember being a kid and
Did I bring any more
seeing this for the first time in my life.
That is bronze.
And yeah.
How long does that take?
JC lives where the red dirt is.
I should have brought
North
you
Carolina.
Face.
The mountains. You take it out right there on the stone, right? I think you flip it over right there and it falls right out on the rocks.
Well, you didn't put the caliber in first. So.
I don't either.
Yeah, let me grab my
I don't either. I don't either. Look, just like that. That's hot. Yeah, brother, look at there. The other one comes out the same way.
He just touched it like he don't care.
Did you see his glove catch on fire? It's getting hot.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Want to see a real cool effect? Get the rainbow.
Oh, look at there.
There's the rainbow effect.
Look at there. Yeah, I've never seen that. That's awesome. Look at that. Who showed you that? That's freaking awesome.
You're at Shizzle, son.
You ready, Joe?
Yep.
Wait.
Okay. Whatever you do, don't put your hands in that water. Oh, look at that. Should have had a big ice cube.
I didn't have time to melt one up.
Oh, should have had a big ice cube.
When it burns off.
Oh yeah, that's bright. Oh, that's nice. Look at that.
Not that level of a bar, but
About right there, yeah. That's beautiful. Oh, that poured a perfect bar.
that was a nice pour.
That's nice. And we're all just sitting around for the show.
Yep.
For the show. And the showman, Scrap It JC. We can't forget Jimbo's wife Ellie. Miss Ellie's here.
I watched somebody,
Ellie.
they had one of them that took 2 people to lift.
Sitting around waiting for the show. We got Paul running back for some smokes or something like that. He'll be here in a minute. So we have a few of us here from the show for the show. Looking forward to the pour. Left-handed Paul over there. Jimbo Scrapper, his wife, Sue. We got the crew together for the showman. I want to see this. If you haven't seen the anthill being poured, go check out JC Scrapper's anthills. One of them things is amazing, and I'll share the pictures with you, obviously. Wait till you see this. No ants were harmed in the filming of this video. Hey, say that one more time.
Happy wife, happy life, or I'm unhappy with half my stuff.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Right there, you know. We're gonna try it.
Yeah, hit video.
Oh, this is that.
I watched JC, Scrap It JC, pour this, and when he did, I seen all these rocks in the top that were clustered in it and didn't fall out. They are tight in there, and wow, that is amazing. That was my favorite one. I seen him pour every one of them.
That is 8.5 pounds.
This is amazing. I just love it. All right, everybody, that was Left-Handed Paul and Scrapping with Grandpa's video for the weekend. Hope you enjoyed it. And until then, do what you love and love what you do. Amen. Have a good weekend. Paul says amen.